Welcome to our detailed review of the KINESIS Advantage360 Professional Split Ergonomic Keyboard, a device designed to revolutionize your typing experience through its advanced features and comfortable design. This keyboard is not only a tool for work and gaming, but also a thoughtful piece of ergonomic engineering that promises to increase both comfort and productivity for users of all body types. The KINESIS Advantage360 Professional stands out with its patented contoured ergonomic shape. Its split key wells and concave layout are intelligently designed to reduce strain on the wrists and hands, thereby supporting a more natural posture. The inclusion of thumb keys, an orthogonal layout, and adjustable tenting with 3 different heights ensures that every user can customize the experience to suit their own ergonomic needs. This level of adjustability sets the keyboard apart from many standard keyboards on the market. Another remarkable feature is its quiet mechanical switches. Featuring Kale Box Pink silent stem switches, the keyboard delivers a premium tactile experience with low activation force and a linear feel. With durability up to 50 million presses, these switches not only provide a satisfying typing sound that remains quieter than typical mechanical keyboards, but also ensure longevity and reliability for heavy typists and professionals. Connectivity is taken up a notch too. Thanks to a newly improved Bluetooth firmware update as of January 2024, the keyboard can be used either via a wired connection or as a full wireless solution with an optional white backlighting feature. Power users will appreciate the flexibility to reconfigure the base layout either through GitHub or a user-friendly web-based GUI. This customization is ideal for users who like to tweak their device to match specific workflow requirements. In real-life use, the Advantage360 proves to be a versatile companion. The ergonomic design truly makes a difference during long typing sessions, while the quiet yet responsive mechanical switches deliver both comfort and speed. Nevertheless, some users may find the initial learning curve steep due to the split layout and the reconfiguration options available. Additionally, the premium palm pads, sold separately, might cause a slight inconvenience for those looking for an out-of-the-box complete package. When compared to similar ergonomic keyboards on the market, the Advantage360 holds its ground with its unique design, backlit features, and unmatched customization. To get the most out of this keyboard, it is advisable to invest time in customizing the layout and experimenting with different tenting heights, ensuring that you find the setting that best suits your typing style. Overall, the KINESIS Advantage360 Professional is highly recommended for professionals, gamers, and anyone looking for an ergonomic upgrade. Thank you for joining us on this review. We hope you find this review helpful and enjoy a more comfortable typing experience. Hello viewers, and have a fantastic day.